friends. About the guilt and about the nightmares. They know they having nightmares. They know they feel that guilt. They know this. They had a choice. They had a choice when I'm not saying that his friends sacrificed him. I'm not saying that Dirk was the mastermind, meaning he put his name on. He brought his name before backward. It was him. When I say what his friends are guilty of, what his loved one, what Kayla's guilty of, what his friends are guilty of, is taking that. That's what those contracts was for. That's what that money is for. That's why y'all finna be rich. And that's why, you know what I'm saying, people, if Bun, you know what I'm saying, all his masters